Hey everybody, it's Vicki Kinner, independent Scentsy consultant, Scentsy director with Team Scented Style. And today I want to share with you a warmer that I just got in. I want to put it in my bathroom. It's super cute. Sorry about the beeping. It's going to happen. Anyways, so this is the cutest warmer. I've been wanting it. It's called Home at Last. And it's got that farmhouse vibe, which is my jam. So let's go ahead and open her up. I'm excited. I've been wanting this one. And remember, starting January 1st, our catalog is 10% off. So that's a great time to grab this. Okay, so first things first, we've got a clear round dish, which I love. And, oh, this is pretty. Let me take everything off. Okay. So it says Home Sweet Home, and it looks like this on purpose. It's supposed to look rustic, okay? It's supposed to look like a rustic pail. Oh, I didn't even know this about it. Okay, look at the back. So now that is going to actually shine on my wall, which is amazing. I love it. And so let's check out the bulb is a 25-watt bulb. We'll put that in there. Super pretty. I can't wait to put it in my bathroom. It looks really pretty. Because I just took down all the Christmas stuff and I need a warmer in my bathroom. Okay, so let's go ahead and plug it in. Super excited to show it to you. Oh, it was already turned on. So let's turn it off. There we go. And we are going to turn it back on. 1, 2, and 3. And so you can see that it reflects on me. I wonder if I have something I can reflect on. Maybe the back of the catalog. You get the idea. You could see that there's a reflect. Oh, there we go. There we go. There's the heart. Oh, that's so pretty. Look. Super cute. Okay, and then the dish goes right in the top like that. And that is a super cute warmer. I love it. Love it. That's going right into my bathroom. So like I said, that is the Home at Last. It says Home Sweet Home on it, but it's the Home at Last. Home at Last warmer. And it looks so farmhousey and cute. I adore it. Anyway, I hope you love my video. Please like and subscribe. Follow me everywhere. Let's be friends. Have a great one. Bye.